What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and if you're like me, you believe in the work smarter, not harder mantra, and that's exactly how our Summit Racing 40-piece power screwdriver kit came to light. It's all about working smarter. Now, this thing is really cool. It's rechargeable, comes with 40 different bits. It even has a magnetizing thing. So if you want to magnetize your bits to hold screws, you can do that as well. And a recharging cord, all in a handy little storage case. Now, some features is it has this 2-direction switch here for taking screws in and out. I'm actually going to use it to work on my RC car here. Now, normally if this was a regular screwdriver, that one it took me like a whole minute to get out. And the thing about these little cars is you spend a lot of time doing this and it wears your arm and wrist out and it kind of hurts sometimes. So with the power screwdriver, this stuff is in and out super, super quick. And it has a 1.5 foot-pound torque rating and then a 5-pound torque rating for using it as a regular hand screwdriver. So you don't have to worry about over tightening anything. Now, not only does it have the flashlight on this end, but it also has a built-in flashlight in the handle as well, if you need a little more light to look at something. Then another really cool feature of this thing is it has an AC voltage detector. So I have this unplugged extension cord end in right now. I'm gonna hit the voltage detection, hold it near the end of the cord, plug the cord in please. And as you can see, it's detecting AC volts. So if you're using this thing around the house to change light sockets, work on light fixtures, anything that's electrical, that's one less tool you have to grab. You have your voltage detector built right into this thing. Now, this thing is very ergonomic as well and fits in your hand well, and it's quick charging too. This thing goes to a full charge in 2 hours at the, using a regular cell phone block charger. Now, these are available on our website right now, so head over to summitracing.com and pick yourself up one of these cool power screwdrivers for working on whatever you're working on, from RC cars to stuff around the house, even like under the dash of your regular car. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.